how to block someone on TikTok. So it's real easy to do. It only takes a couple steps. So go to your TikTok, and I'm just going to go into an account that I have here. And what you want to do is go ahead and click the name at the bottom left-hand corner, and that just brings you to the user's page. So from here, what you want to do is go to the arrow at the top right corner, and that's like a share button for things, but you also have the option to block the account. So from here, you see at the very bottom, it says block. And then this is going to tell you what prompts will happen from this point forward and what happens when you block someone. So we're going to go ahead and block them. They will not be able to see your posts or anything like that. And very simply, if you want to unblock that person, you go ahead and hit unblock, and it will give you the prompt to unblock the person. You can also go ahead to the search bar and find that person and go ahead and block them anyway. So you can just keep on going through, picking different accounts, going to that share button at the top right-hand corner, go ahead and hit block, and then that's it. It's very simple to do, and that's how you block someone on TikTok.